Hi, good afternoon. I'm Cedric.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Joshua.
Welcome to Namibia2Go car rental. For all your car rental needs, you can always come here. This is our fully equipped vehicle, and we will briefly show you how we're going to open up a tent and all the stuff for your camping needs.
So as you can see, it's a fully equipped that you have got two tents, the front one and the back one, but both of them, they are just opening to the left side. So to open it up, you just need to remove the cover out.
And as you're going to start, it's very easy, so I'll have to relax a little bit.
First to remove the strips out, then on the tent there's also a second strip that you just need to remove it out. Then I will just pull it on the left side. So you just need to keep the cover hanging over here because you don't need to remove it out, for easiest to put it back. Then later, after you remove the cover, we just need to push the ladder of the tent. Just need to push it back like this, like that. Then you can be stand on the ground to bring the tent down. You just need to push it like this. Then you put it on the ground like this. Then you can just lock up these two pins on to stop the radar to stop moving it. Just need to hold it like this, then it's clapping on. Then to open the main door, you just need to have two poles, which is on this back. That usually used to carry 6 poles. For now, I can only use up 2 of them, which is a short poles. Then I can be clamped on the radar. Then these 2 poles that I come with, I just need to put it on here. Then I open up this one, like this. Then on other side again, and I open it up like this. Then you just zip off the top cover, then you just keep roll it up like this. Then I can just remove the mosquito net out. Also just zip it off like this. Then I also load it up. Summertime, it's very hot, so if you want more air ventilation, you can open also the side one, which is the second windows. You just need to put the poles on here, then you can just hang it over here like this. Then this window you can open it through inside so that we can have more air ventilation.
This is it. Here's your tent, easy to set up, to enjoy.